Stop. You're looking at one of the biggest transportation systems on Earth. These aren't bicycles, they're not motorcycles, they're electric scooters. And China has hundreds of millions of them. But why? China is already the world's largest car market. So why aren't these people driving? Why would millions of families willingly choose 2 wheels instead of 4? Reason 1. It saves an incredible amount of money. Imagine paying hundreds of dollars every month. Fuel, insurance, parking, maintenance. Now imagine replacing all of that with something that costs only a few $100s to buy and just cents to charge. For millions of Chinese families, the decision is obvious, but money isn't the biggest reason. Here's what surprises most foreigners. Chinese cities are built differently. In many Western cities, everything is far apart. In China, your supermarket, school, restaurant, gym, and office might all be within a few kilometers. Suddenly, a car isn't always faster. Here's a funny experiment. 2 people leave at exactly the same time. One rides an electric scooter. Guess who gets there first? In many cities, it's actually the scooter. Also, parking changes everything. Cars don't just take longer to drive, they take longer to park. Imagine spending 10 extra minutes just looking for parking. That's more than 60 hours a year. But here's where things get crazy. What if I told you these scooters aren't just moving people, they're moving an entire economy? Lunch, groceries, medicine, bubble tea, parcels, almost everything can arrive at your door. Fast, cheap, every single day. Without electric scooters, this system simply couldn't work. Then came batteries. China didn't just buy electric scooters, it built the world's biggest supply chain for them. Batteries became cheaper, motors became cheaper, manufacturing exploded. The result? Millions of affordable scooters. And scooters fit everyday life. Everyone rides them. Teenagers, parents, office workers, grandparents. They're not considered a budget option. They're simply normal. In fact, many families own both. The car is for weekends. The scooter is for Monday. That's the part many people misunderstand. So why does China have so many electric scooters? Because they're cheaper, faster, easier to park. Perfect for dense cities. And they power one of the fastest delivery systems on Earth. The real question isn't, why do Chinese people ride electric scooters? It's, why don't more cities